I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've accidentally deleted emails from iCloud, don't worry, you can recover them with a few simple steps. Step 1. Log into iCloud. Go to the iCloud website and sign in with your Apple ID and password. This is where you'll access your email account to start the recovery process. Step 2. Open Mail. Once you're logged in, click on the mail icon to access your email inbox. This will take you to your email interface where you can manage your messages. Step 3. Check the trash. Look for the trash folder on the left sidebar. Deleted emails are usually stored here for a limited time before being permanently removed. Step 4. Recover emails. If you find the deleted emails in the trash, select them and click the Move option to restore them back to your inbox or another folder. Step 5. Use the recently deleted folder. If you can't find your emails in the trash, check the recently deleted folder. Emails here can be recovered within 30 days of deletion. Remember, if you don't see the emails in either folder, they may be permanently deleted. It's always a good idea to regularly back up important emails. I hope this helps you recover your lost emails.